Hello, dear traders. Today, I want to share an educational topic with you that will help you identify long-term price direction and potential targets. This method is purely technical and has a high win rate. However, please note that to trade using this method, you must look for specific trading setups on lower time frames for your entries. We are demonstrating this on the Nasdaq index, but please remember, this is for educational purposes only and is not a buy or sell signal. All right, let's dive into the tutorial. First, we look at the weekly time frame. We need to identify the zone that caused a valid return to the trading node. To identify a bullish movement and potential targets, finding a valid low is crucial. This is what we call a return to pivot. Once we have identified the start of the bullish move, we draw the Fibotesla tool over the price action. Pay special attention to the areas where the price has reacted, acting like support. These areas are very important because, on lower time frames, they can form a fractal repetition of this exact trading setup, which we will use to find more precise entry points. The potential target for this bullish movement is the price level of 27,789. Now, let's analyze the price action a bit further. Since this buy zone is likely the final phase of this bullish movement, we can estimate the win rate for this specific leg to be between 40% and 50%. When I mention the buy zone gap, I am referring to the gaps created between the price and the support level. When the price hits these zones, that is your cue to go into lower time frames and look for opportunities to open a position. If you have any questions regarding this trading setup, please feel free to contact me. Goodbye and happy trading.